Hall, brought to you in association with KFC. Welcome back, fully focused on maintaining the energy. That's what we are right now. And we'll just jump right back into the vibes. The next princess was all about her business last time we saw her. She is fully confident this season and is coming full force. Get ready for Bad Gal Jade!
You see the one last week, Miss Kitty? Then watch out all of my business. You know what I do this week? Me a go hide and do it. Me a free man, you got your girl, but we a cheat. We a hide and do it. I know it's wrong, but we still a do it. Every week we a hide and do it. Yeah, me a free man, you got your girl, but we a cheat. Every week we a hide and meet. Can't get enough of one another. This your love too sweet. Every week we a hide and meet. Tell my man, tell me I got chill out with my friends, but I don't speak me up in the big body beds. We very neat, we need no evidence. When we step out of the yard, my man don't know what we mean. They not nothing for the area, cause you wanna know man in the area. And me love you totally, you wanna look up for me, that's why every day we disappear. They love you, give me not getting nowhere else. You want me like a secret, me keep it to myself. Me not go ever tell nobody else. Me not go ever tell nobody else. Me a free man, you got your girl, but I know it's wrong, but we still a do it. We are hide and meet. Yeah, me a free man, you got your girl, but we are cheat. Can't get enough of one another. This a love too sweet. But I never comment her like I no picture with me post. Cause you understand, so we have to keep it on the low. We are hide and we can't make the media know. When they see me on the street, you hear me like a fans and know. You are the kind of man when you feel. You know keep right and you don't chat.
What I'm talking about. Hold on, we gotta get the camera angle. Get the camera angle, my girl. Give him a pose, I'm sorry, you deserve a pose for him. I ain't say talk, I said pose. Scatter!
Who win? Ask Big Bird round there, so who win? Me don't know what to them two and some of them come out looking like maggot chicken over soup. No, big up all farmer, but we don't take none this from no right banana. Just remember tomorrow, remember the same place and same time, alright? Kitty, you're not welcome. Hide and do it. Good job. But come out here, Shelly.
I think this is the year of the thick girls. Big up to Dovey Magnum and big up to you, Jade. Do it, Red Bull.
She next. Big up yourself. Me not have nothing to say more than you shell it. What to say? She shell it, no?
Yeah. There's no doubt about that. Thank you, judges. And, well, unlike Bad Gal Jade, you do not have to hide and do it, all right? You can do it in the open and boldly support her by texting the word VOTE to 444-7707, or you can call 444-7707. That's right. Thanks, Bad Gal Jade. Sasha, excuse me. All right.